Hi, I'm Joy.
Hola, me llamo Ana.
我名係黃君傑。
Hi, I'm Sal.
Hola, me llamo Erika.
Each year, thousands of New York consumers reach out for help to Consumer Affairs about a problem they have with a business. We listen to both sides of the story and work to mediate solutions that are fair and agreeable for everyone. Visit nyc.gov or contact 311 to check if a business has a Consumer Affairs license or to file a consumer complaint.
Tens of thousands of businesses operate thanks to their Consumer Affairs license. Every year, we help guide them quickly and easily through every step of getting a new license or renewing their license, either online or at our licensing center. That way, you can spend your time on what's most important, running your business. Visit nyc.gov or contact 311 for licensing center hours and to learn how to apply for or renew a Consumer Affairs license in person or online.
Each year, Consumer Affairs educates over 7,000 businesses through our community education events, our annual Business Education Day, and our evening industry-specific open houses. We work to make it as convenient as possible for businesses to get answers to their questions, learn how to comply with New York City consumer protection laws, and let us know how we can better serve them. Visit nyc.gov and search DCA for our business toolbox and event calendar.
Consumer Affairs inspects thousands of businesses every year, including ones where consumers report they were overcharged or denied their refund. Businesses complying with these laws expect that other businesses will too, and it's our job to make sure everyone is treated fairly. Visit nyc.gov and search for Business Toolbox for important information and resources, including the laws we enforce and how to file a consumer complaint.
A lot of people come to the city's financial empowerment centers feeling helpless. I always tell them it doesn't matter how much you make or how much debt you're in. We're going to make a plan together. Call 311 to make an appointment at a free financial empowerment center near you or visit nyc.gov for information.